And welcome aboard this Finnair's flight to Stockholm. The flight time is approximately 50 minutes and the flight is operated by Norra. My name is Triinu Pitkänen and our captain is Jussi Laaksonen. I hope that you'll enjoy the flight. We ask for your full attention. Please remove your headphones as we go through the safety features of this aircraft. Our safety depends on both our crew and on you. Our crew has been trained to ensure your safety on board. You must always follow the instructions given by our crew and comply with all posted and lighted signs in the cabin. You may use smartphones and other handheld electronic devices during the flight, but we ask you to ensure that they are now set to flight mode. All other electronic devices, such as laptops, must be switched off and stowed for both takeoff and landing. If your electronic device overheats, let our crew know immediately. All our flights are non-smoking, and under aviation law, smoking is forbidden in the lavatories. Using or charging electronic cigarettes is also not allowed on board. The safety card in your seat pocket has important information. Please take a moment to review the safety card before takeoff. We have 6 emergency exits on this Embraer E190. They are all marked with exit signs. 2 in front, 2 in mid-cabin, and 2 in the rear. To find your nearest exit, follow the escape lights at floor level. Please pay close attention to the location of your nearest exit, keeping in mind that it may be behind you. Your safety belt must be fastened whenever our captain switches on the safety belt sign. Fasten your safety belt by inserting the metal end into the buckle, like this. Adjust the strap so that it's tight across your lap. Your safety belt opens by lifting this part of the buckle. We recommend that you keep your safety belt fastened throughout the flight, in case we experience unexpected turbulence. If necessary, oxygen masks will automatically appear above your head. Take the nearest mask, pull down sharply, and put the mask on as shown. Always put your own mask on first, and then help others. You'll find a life jacket underneath your seat. Pull the life jacket over your head. Fasten the front buckle, and tighten the strap. After you leave the aircraft, inflate the life jacket by pulling the red tab. If needed, blow into the red tube for more air. Make sure that your armrest is in the down position, your table is stowed, and your seat back is upright. Your window shade must be open. Please make sure your hand luggage is stowed under the seat in front of you, or in the overhead lockers. In an emergency, it is important to leave all hand luggage in the aircraft. Attempting to take them with you will block the aisles and exits from others. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask our crew. We are here for your safety. Thank you for flying with us. Enjoy your flight.
Muistutamme, että elektronisten laitteiden lataaminen lennon aikana ei ole sallittua. Jos huomaatte, että elektroninen laitteesi ylikuumena, ilmoita siitä välittömästi miehistöllä. Charging electronic devices during the flight is not allowed. If you notice that your electronic device overheats, let the crew know immediately.
seated from takeoff.